Good afternoon. Today we are throwing some light on child labor, abolition and regulation act 1986. The object of the act is to prohibit the engagement of children in certain industries and to regulate the conditions of work in other certain industries. The scope of the act is applicable to all establishments such as workshops, farm, residential, hotels, restaurants, eating houses, and other places of public amusement where child labor is largely engaged. There are 7 main provisions of the Act. The first is prohibition of employment of children in certain occupation and processes. No child can be employed or permitted to work in any of the occupations as set forth in Part A of the schedule or in any workshop wherein any of the processes set forth in Part B of the schedule is carried on. What does this mean? In Part A, there are occupations. In Part B, there are processes. Like occupations like cobbler, weaver, printer, clerk, uh, mine mate, people working in mines, uh, doffer, weaver, cleaner. These are various occupations. Apart from this, there are many occupations which are prominently found in industries, and therefore the part A of the definition part A of the provision says no child can be employed or permitted to work in any process of the occupations set forth in part A of the schedule or in any workshop wherein wherein where any process set forth in schedule in part B of the schedule is carried on.